This video I am going to show you how to install SSD in Asus X507U or X507UAR laptops. Here is the SSD slot which is given in this motherboard. What you need to do, you need SSD M.2 and SSD M.2 slot. Here it is given on this board, and this is the SSD M.2 as you can see here, which is 256 GB and it is 3 pin. In these laptops it is SSD M.2 SATA III. What you have to do, you have to install it in this way and just simply push it inside this and you will get this like that, and you have to secure it here so that it can fix in its position. And here is the secure of this. This is the secure of it, and you have to just push it inside in it and just tighten the secure so that it may be fixed in its position. As you can see here now, SSD has been installed in this motherboard successfully.